Welcome to Cooking Wild. I'm your host Yan. Now, everyone knows what wild meat is, or at least it's supposed to know. You're from Trinidad and Tobago. We enjoy it at parties, limes, you name it, we have wild meat. Now, Cooking Wild is very, very different. We're here to meet the hunter. The hunter takes us on the hunt and he goes, prepares the meat, and then we give it a taste. Yes, we give it a taste. You know, take a little bit and let you all know just how good this hunter/cook is. It's all about finding out who is the wild meat cooking master. Let's go meet Terry Scrunter and his crew. How are you going, Ozzy? Shiny, Sharp, Mustafa. We ain't going here. It's gonna be action. Cooking Wild. Let's get it. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Yo, cook up. Hey, yeah. Yeah, man. Nothing really. Hey, 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 hey. 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 Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey. Hey, 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 hey. Listen, Cooking Wilders, you see where this Gucci gone? It's perched on the edge of a cliff. Literally, it's just going down. It's gonna be crazy. Hey. Hey, 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 hey. 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 Ozzy, ain't easy, man. Ozzy, ain't easy. Time to roast. Time to season. We're going to deal with the pot.
See, you're stirring the pot, checking and making sure everything going down nice. That's what we're talking about.
It's time for play.
I am Scrunter and you're watching Cooking Wild. Hey-ya.